Hi guys, welcome to Expertise Academy. So today we're going to see a little bit about Camtasia, and one of the things which I just found out, I just thought I'll quickly share it with you guys. So typically what happens is when you're adding videos and audios and everything like that, it goes as a track, and sometimes if you can see that the text in your images are flipped. So this is nothing wrong with your Camtasia or actually the file. So this is actually a setting within your phone. So I'll give you an example on where to find the settings, and so this will be helpful. So let's say if you're using a Samsung phone, and there is an option that says if you're trying to shoot a selfie or if you're trying to use the camera, sometimes the image get flipped just like that. The text in the images, pretty much you can see that it's actually a flipped image. So now to solve that problem, so this should be common with other phones as well, other Android phones as well. So if you go to the camera, and then if you go to the camera settings, and there is an option that says picture as previewed, and this should be turned on. So once you turn it on, then this thing will not even happen. So now let's say for an example, so you got the footage and you're not going to shoot it again, so now you just want to flip it again. So how do you do it? So now make sure that you select all the clippings from the same footage, and select everything, and then on the properties, if you don't have the properties, click on the button that says properties, and in the properties screen, so you got there is two tabs here. So one is for the visual properties, which is for the video, another one is for the audio. So now we're going to focus only on the video, and in the video we got an option to rotate it. So the first option is basically rotating the image in this direction, so which is using the script. If you rotate it, can you see that the value is changing? So if you want to reset it, you can always reset it. And the next one is what we are keen at. So this is basically rotating the image along the y-axis, this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. So I'm going to put this one as 180, and now the image is flipped. So now you can see the text, you can read it properly. So that is how you flip it. And if this is actually the option where you can flip it vertically, which is against the x-axis. So that is how you actually sort the image flipping issue within Camtasia. Okay guys, we'll catch up in another video. That's just a quick video. See ya.